Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. So, today we are going to start our next chapter, chapter number 3, and the name of the chapter is Pronouns and its types. So, let's begin with the definition. So, what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. As we all know, noun is the name of a person, place, or a thing. So, when we use a different word for a noun, so that is called as a pronoun. For example, Ram is a good boy. He is good in studies. Only once we have used the noun. In second time we have used the word he instead of noun. So this he is known as a pronoun. Now telling you the types of pronouns. So first one is personal pronouns, reflexive pronouns, emphatic pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, interrogative pronouns, relative pronouns, possessive pronouns. Now comes with the first one. So what is a personal pronoun? Personal pronoun is a pronoun that stands for a person. As it is clear from its name, personal means it stands for a particular person, animal, or a thing. Like I, we, her, them, you, us, it, and she are personal pronouns. For example, I am sorry for having scolded you. Here the word I and you stands as personal pronouns. Now come to the reflexive pronouns. The pronouns like myself, himself, themselves are used when the subject is the same as the subject. Means here we have to see the subject as in example he hurt himself. So it works as a subject. He himself works as a reflexive pronoun. Now come to the emphatic pronouns. These pronouns are used to give emphasis. When we put emphasis or stress on something, they are known as emphatic pronouns. For example, I baked the cake myself. They themselves admitted their mistake. Here the emphasis is given on myself and themselves. Next comes the demonstrative pronouns. They help us to point something or someone. For example, this is my pen. This is lost umbrella. Here the word this, that, they are known as demonstrative pronouns. Now comes the indefinite pronouns. These pronouns do not refer to any specific. Means in this we don't talk about any specific person, thing, or amount, or any people. We will talk the whole. For example, everybody enjoyed the concert. There was no one at home yesterday. Here everybody and no one comes as under the category of indefinite pronouns. Now comes the interrogative. Interrogative pronouns. The pronouns who, what, which, whom are used to ask questions. When we ask some questions, these kind of pronouns are known as interrogative pronouns. For example, what is your name, which is your school. Now comes the relative pronouns. The pronouns whose, whom, that, and which are relative pronouns. These are used to join two sentences together. Means when we join two different sentences into one by using a relative pronoun, they are known as relative pronouns. For example, this is the drawing, Radha did it. This is the drawing that Radha did it. Means in this two sentences are joined in a one sentence. Now last comes the possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns, they show ownership to someone or something. For example, this pen is mine. That pen is yours. Mine and yours, it shows the possession of someone. This bike is her. This one is his. In these, their, her and his, they both show the possession of something. Thanks. Have a nice day.